Navya, 4th standard. I am standing in front of you for give a respectful welcome to all. Today we gathered here to inaugurate spoken English program. English is an international language. English language is very essential to all the people in nowadays. So we conduct a spoken English language program in our school. I would like to express my warm welcome to respected our SDMC President Anil D'Souza. Heartfelt welcome, sir. I would like to express my gracious welcome to respected SDMC Vice President Ms. Babita D'Souza. Heartfelt welcome, ma'am. I would like to express my warm welcome to respected Grama Panchayat member Ujire, Mr. B.M. Ilyas. Warm welcome you, sir. I would like to welcome High School HM Miss Jamuna to this program. Heartfelt welcome you, ma'am. I would give a glad welcome to our school HM, Miss Lalita Kumari K. Heartfelt welcome you, ma'am. I would like to welcome Miss Sumangala. Heartfelt welcome you, ma'am. I would like to welcome President of Youth Council, Mr. Pitambar, to the program. Heartfelt welcome you, sir. I would like to welcome Mr. Prakash Chandra. Heartfelt welcome you, sir. I would like to welcome all the parents, all the teachers and all my friends who gathered here. Heartfelt welcome you all. Thank you one and all.